Africa is at a critical inflection point where a digital economy is emerging. The digital economy is being created by innovative young entrepreneurs who are using innovative technology to solve pain points, reduce friction, fix bottlenecks, and disrupt entire industries. Chanzo Capital CEZ, an Africa-focused tech VC firm domiciled in Kenya's Special Economic Zone, has launched the Chanzo One Space startup and Scaleup Accellerator that will invest in scalable, high-growth tech ventures in Africa.
So Chanzo Capital is an Africa-focused venture capital and growth capital firm focused on the technology space. And so we invest in startups and scale-ups, primarily providing them with resources, capital and other resources that they need to start their business and grow. And we focus on 5 primary countries. It's Kenya, Ivory Coast, Nigeria, Ghana, and South Africa, the King's countries. But we've invested outside these countries. We focus on sectors like fintech, edtech, agtech, health tech, and clean tech. But again, we've also invested outside these sectors. So the countries are sort of our dimensions and the sectors are determinants. And the reason we came out with this matrix is we want to figure out how we're going to be able to create an investing model around these countries and these sectors.
The Chanzo One Space Startup and Scale-Up Accelerator will drive 3 foundational pillars that tech ventures need to succeed in Africa: capital, capacity, and community.
What a company needs to scale up is going to depend from what they needed to start up. Right? And that's why we created the Cossa program. It's called the Chanzo One Space Startup and Scale-Up Accelerator. Why acceleration? Because we want to create a framework and a program that consciously helps the founders to launch into new markets. And one of the considerations is the environment within which they launch. And so we found Terrific, which is the Two Rivers Finance Innovation Center, Special Economic Zone, has a very conducive environment because they get tax breaks, right? Those tax breaks and incentives are essential for the companies as they try to scale.
Chanzo Capital SEZ is delivering on this through our pivotal partnership with the Two Rivers International Finance and Innovation Center and One Space SEZ.
The Terrific program is also about services and innovation. So the whole framework that Terrific has created here is so essential for a company to scale up. We must give a lot of credit to Centum as an investment firm for championing and promoting this framework. It's going to help more companies become export-oriented, exporting their services and exporting their innovation. And so we found that to be a good program within which to locate the Cossa Accelerator.
From a capital lens, our $100 million King's Scale-Up Fund will provide a combination of debt and equity that the scale-ups need. We will also provide training and ongoing support to scale-ups through board and advisory roles. Our partnership with Terrific will significantly ease growth through tax reduction, setup, and expansion incentives for startups and scale-ups in and out of Kenya's Special Economic Zone.
So where we are right now is sort of looking at the opportunities that are now available, particularly with this new Special Economic Zone opportunity through Terrific. And through that initiative, we are, very, very happy to, announce that we are launching a new space called One Space. So One Space will be located within the Special Economic Zone at Terrific here at Two Rivers. It's a fantastic location. I think it ticks a lot of the boxes. We've created world-class offices. I mean, that for us is very, very, very important because, as I said, the image that you project is extremely important. So there's that aesthetic side. There's also the functional side where things just have to work. You need to be able to come to work and find that the space is big enough for you at the point where you start, that you can grow into that space, that things work from a connectivity point of view, from a business support point of view, just absolutely everything is taken care of so that you can focus on your business.
We are going to build the capacity of the entrepreneurs through physical and virtual office spaces, as well as administration services. On Community, Angel Fair Africa events and connections on the ground will introduce these companies to the local business community and set them on a path to success. Our team of internet pioneers and ventures builders in ICT businesses across the globe invite you to join us as we combine financial return with societal benefits for Africa.